kakeru. To be able to write or to be able to draw. Actually, we have many other verbs which can be read kakeru. The verb kakeru has a wide variety of meanings. If you are an advanced student, you should learn them. It will be helpful. But here I'll introduce these two. Kaku with this kanji means to write. Kaku with this kanji means to draw. And kakeru with this kanji to be able to write. Kakeru with this kanji to be able to draw. Please watch this video. For beginners, if you write kakeru just in hiragana, you don't need to distinguish to write or to draw. Phew, what a relief! And kakeru means to be chipped or to be lacking. Kakeru, 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 kakeru. So we can say お皿がかける to be able to draw a plate or to be able to write お皿 with kanji or ひらがな or カタカナ。お皿がかける a plate is chipped. お皿がかけるお皿がかけるお皿がかけるお皿がかける Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。